Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the turbo from an Audi A4 B6. First, ensure your car is safely elevated on ramps or jack stands, then remove the belly pan. Next, drain the engine oil and coolant into appropriate containers. This prevents messy spills during the process. Finally, for your safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before proceeding with any further steps. Now, let's clear some space. Begin by removing the air duct passage and the headlight assembly. This provides crucial access. Next, meticulously disconnect all electrical plugs and hoses that are attached to the airbox. Take your time and remember their positions. Once everything is detached, you can carefully remove the entire airbox and its associated heat shield, opening up the engine bay for the turbo. With the area clear, it's time to focus on the turbo itself. Disconnect the oil feed and return lines. Expect a small amount of oil leakage. Next, remove the nuts securing the catalytic converter and then the bolts holding the turbo to the exhaust manifold. These can be stubborn, so penetrating oil helps. Once all connections are free, carefully maneuver and lift the turbocharger out of the engine bay. For reinstallation, reverse the removal steps. Carefully position the new turbo and secure all connections, ensuring they are tightened to specification. Always use new gaskets and O-rings to guarantee a leak-free seal for the oil and coolant lines. Double-check every bolt and hose connection before refilling fluids and reconnecting the battery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your garage clean after a big project like this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.